Hey guys, it's Angela. I'm going to show you the finished dried piece of one of the two pours that I'm going to show you in this video. And the reason I'm showing you the dried piece first is because the two pours I'm going to show you, I'm going to kind of speed through, and there might be a smidgen of voice in there, but I did them last night when my brother-in-law and future sister-in-law were over, and they were in the room with me, and so we were kind of chatting away, and I don't want to disclose our conversations. So, but this one in particular, so a little bit backstory. So I was trying to mimic Dwight Pours, which I will link to his YouTube channel below. And he does some amazing pours with just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and Floetrol. And his recipe calls for mixing equal parts of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and paint, and Floetrol. And then he uses water to thin. And he's had a lot of people kind of, question and, ask him what's his secret and how to do it. And, I've tried it and it's not coming out as good as yours. And I get it. Because his paintings are amazing. And, and he doesn't have to disclose his secrets to anybody. I mean, by all means, it's his work. It's his right to not. But man, do I wish I knew. So really all I had to go on was knowing that it was equal parts, one and the other, and then watching his consistency of how he does things. And so this was the second piece I did, and the white that I had, you'll see in the first piece, which I'm gonna show how I did the pouring on that. I had done a base coat of white, and then I thought it was kind of still thick, so I thinned it and put it on like the four corners, and it was a lot thinner, which is why I went back and did a second piece. And so the white on this one was kind of thin, but I needed a little bit more paint to cover the 8x10, and when I added the extra paint, this was like super lumpy, and I think it's just because I was in a rush and I didn't stir it enough. So I came out with like all these little like trails. It's just the only way I can describe it. So anyway, I'm gonna let you watch the whole pouring process, and I'm sorry I've rambled on way too much, but please go check out Dwight Pours. If you can figure out his secret, please by all means let me know. And yeah, enjoy. I promise I won't be as rambly with this. And, you know, I've got that weird morning sunshine in here. So, you'll see probably in the video that I had a couple of like little blops in here. And I was like, oh, let's just balloon smash them. And yeah, like I said, people were here and I thought it was a good idea. But overall, I really like the composition of it. These little blobs I could do without. I could probably embellish it somehow, which could be fun. But I love the colors in it. And like I said, I really like the composition of it. I think the composition is just kind of fun. It's just different. Definitely different than anything I've ever done. So, and it's got just an awesome metallic in it, which you can see. It's very shiny. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And again, go check out Dwight Pours. So you can go see what I was trying to do. And you can kind of see some of the cells sort of pop through on the edges here. Definitely not what he is able to accomplish. So not giving up. I'm going to try again. I'll figure it out. Maybe not figure it out because, yeah, but I'm going to keep trying. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.